Have you ever wondered what $600,000 can buy you in Dallas, Texas? Well, today I want to introduce you to an area called Lake Highlands. Located between the Park Cities and Richardson, the Lake Highlands neighborhood differs from much of Dallas. Lake Highlands has hills and valleys and street elevations offering gorgeous scenic views of downtown. The lake is a popular destination for boaters, rowers, joggers, and bikers. Austin is going to introduce you to a very unique opportunity priced at under $600,000.
Hey guys, it's Austin Richardson. I'm going to take you inside 9205 Moss Farm here in Lake Highlands in Dallas, Texas. Let's go take a look. Whether you're unwinding indoors or enjoying the serene outdoors, this home is the perfect retreat to call your home. This home offers 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a layout designed for privacy and entertainment, and a generous sized outdoor oasis with pool and lounging areas as you can see behind me. Recent enhancements include new paint, a brand new fence, low maintenance landscaping with turf and rocks, seamless gutters, a large soaking tub in the master, and marble showers in both primary bathrooms. Get ready to embrace the pleasant ambiance and make lasting memories in this attractive home in the Lake Highlands area of Dallas, Texas. Come on and check it out.
We hope you enjoyed today's tour and this unique opportunity to purchase in Dallas, Texas. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to be the first to be notified of all of our newest listings.